Hey Techies, so this is Lucky Sony here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Techie Lucky. So I came back again with my new video as part of my B2 series, which is the Java project coding round. So as of now, I have pushed two videos. The first video is related to the basic information, like what kind of questions are being asked, how exactly they are going to give you the requirement, and what kind of results they are expecting from you, what kind of implementation they are expecting from you. Okay. As part of this series, I pushed the second video where I just explained you what are the common mistakes we are doing as a candidate. Yeah. So how exactly we need to answer to impress our interviewer. Okay. And now as part of my third video, just I'm going to cover where to start, what to start, and how to start. So first of all, if we see as part of first two videos, we get the requirement, which is we need to implement the project using Spring Boot plus REST API. JPA, we are going to use the Spring Data JPA. We are going to use the in-memory database, which is H2DB. And I'm also going to help you to understand how exactly you can connect your application with MySQL as well, which is the external database server. Okay, the project name will be the patient management system, and we have seen we need to perform the basic card operation. So first of all, for creating the Spring Boot application, we having two major approaches which are very famous. One is using the STS, okay, which is Spring Tool Suite, and we have the Spring Starter kind of plugin as part of this particular Eclipse ID. It is based on the Eclipse, so you can see here this is my STS, and we can simply start the Spring project using the Spring Starter project. And we have another approach which is known as the uh, start.spring.io. This is one kind of web console from where you can generate your project. So first of all, let me help you out to create the project using the STS, and then I'm going to help you out to create the project using this particular URL. Even I'm going to help you out to give you the visibility about how exactly you can create the project using the Maven and how exactly you can create the project using the Gradle. So nowadays Gradle is very famous and both are the builder tools. And as part of both of the creation, you will understand how exactly things are working in the background. So first of all, I'm starting this particular project, which is the Spring Starter project. Even you can get the same kind of option as part of the second. So just I'm choosing from here Spring Starter project. So first of all, we need to choose our project name, which is patient management system. Yeah. And if you see, I'm using the Maven and the packaging is Jar. Language I'm using Java, and one of the best thing as part of Spring Boot, now it's supporting three languages. So as of now, I'm focusing on Java only, and we are using the Java version 8 only. We are not supposed to go for anything else as of now. Yeah. So the package name I have given from my means my name, my package name. So even if you would like to give your own package name, you can give it. Okay, what exactly need to be done as part of the company interview? You should know the company name and company name like tcs.com. So com.tcs. You can write in the reverse order, right? So I'm saying tcs.com, com.tcs, wipro.com, com.wipro. Like this, you can create or give them standards of the industry. On top of that, the artifact name is nothing but the project name. Why exactly the snapshot? Because as of now, my project is in development stage. That's why snapshot. Here, the basic description about my project. So I can say the Spring Boot project for the patient management system. Again, the package name should be the com.song. Yeah, I'm going for the next. You see here, there are some of the versions are available as part of Spring Boot. 2.3.7 is the stable one, even 2.4.1 is also the stable one. So we will always go for the latest and stable one, which is 2.4.1. Here, if you see, I need some dependencies, like I already explained you. I would like to have the REST API. I would like to have the JPA. So REST API kind of implementations are available as part of the Spring Data JPA. You can search here. Yeah. So even the same kind of thing you are able to see. Spring Data JPA. Yeah. So this is the Spring Data JPA for the JPA implementation. Yeah. For using the REST API, you can search for the wave, which is Spring Wave, which is internally implementing the Spring Wave kind of stuff. Yeah. And we have the S2 database. So I have told you in memory database. In this way, we are adding the starters. And after starting the adding the starters, we just finished out our project. If you see here, the project is getting built in the background. Yeah. So in this way, our dependencies are getting downloaded from the central repository of the Maven. So this is also one of the interview question from the means one of the interview question from the interviewer, like from where exactly the dependencies are getting downloaded. So if you are working as part of the company, dependencies are going to be downloaded from the remote repository. But if you are working as part of your local system, definitely if those jars will be available, then it is going to be available from the M2, which is known as the local repository. Otherwise, it is going to be downloaded from the Maven Center repository. So I hope so guys you are aware about it. If not, no need to worry. I am going to help out to give you some kind of visibility for next upcoming series. Yeah. So if you see here what things happened till now. So I'm just going to explain you some of the details related to the pom.xml. Right? So if you see here, this is the basic declaration is happening. Like we are using the XML version 1.2 and it's the encoding which is UTF-8. If you see the this is the parent form camp. Because of this only this project become eligible for the Spring Boot. Yeah, and you see that package name, artifact name, snapshot, all those information. Java version is 1.8. It's a property, and we are able to see some of the dependencies has been added as part of my form.xml file. Those are the dependencies. Like if you see the Spring Data JP dependencies are available. The Spring Wave dependency is available. We have the S2, which is in-memory database, and you can see the scope. So I'm just going to help out. There are different kind of scopes are there. There are 5 to 6 kind of scopes are there, and this kind of DB is going to be enabled at runtime. Yeah, and by default we are getting this. What to say the Spring Starter test dependency. Yeah, and we also having the Maven plugin. So I will give you more visibility about the Maven in the subsequent videos. If you notice here, I have not mentioned the version number as part of any of the dependencies. So actually, this version number is coming from the parent form, which is 2.4.1. Yeah, guys. So this is the one of the very basic structure which you can have all those dependencies as part of your requirement, and you can simply generate the project. Yeah, I shown you that I have told you like we have second approach which is known as the using the wave console. So I just would like to click on this particular URL. So it will go to that particular console. And now I would like to generate the project using the Gradle. So you will get the visibility how the project can be imported using the Gradle. Yeah, I am using the Java language only and the stable version 2.4.1. Here I am again would like to choose the package which is com.sony. Artifact name and it will be patient management system. The project name also will be the patient management system. And if you see here, icon description for the patient management system. Yeah, one thing to notice, guys, here, whenever you are using the artifact name, automatically it's getting added into the package name. Just try to remove this one because I would like to have the package still com.sony. I don't want to have the project name as part of the package. Now, if you see here, we have the packaging with the jar and var. So I would like to go with the jar as of now. You can choose the var as well. Nobody need to worry about it. And the Java version is 8 only. Here I can add the dependencies. So you can see there are couple of dependencies are there. Even they have just given you the example of how is it you can search for the dependency. So we know we would like to have the build dependency. Okay. And if you see here, it's clearly cut saying build wave, including the REST APIs, RESTful, okay, application using the Spring MVC, using the Apache Tomcat as a default embedded container. So yeah, guys, as part of the Spring Boot, you are getting the embedded Tomcat. Okay, I would like to have the JPA as well. So that's I'm using JPA. Yes, Spring Data JPA. You can see here it's talking about the persistent data into the SQL stores, Java persistent API using the Spring Data and Hibernate. So even we can use the in-memory database using the JPA. Okay, I would like to have one more dependency which is S2DB, which is in-memory database. Yeah, so you can read here the provide the fast in-memory database that support the JTBC APIs R2DPC access with a small 2 MB footprint, support the embedded server modes as well as the browser-based console application. So I have chosen all the basic things which I require as part of the project. Now I will click on this. It is going to generate my project. So I have this project which has been generated. I can simply show you here. So this is my project. It is going to be downloaded in the zip format. Once it downloaded into the zip format, you can simply right click and you can try to extract all. Yeah. So once you extract it, it's going to show you your project is available into the normal folder structure. So you can import this particular project as part of your Eclipse as well. So suppose this is my Eclipse here, okay, or you can say HTS. I would like to import the project. If you would like to import the project, you need to choose the Gradle, an existing Gradle project because I have chosen the Gradle project here. And I am saying next. You need to notice here it's talking about some of the Gradle integration experience. Yeah, I will let you know about it as well. So first of all, you choose the project. So I have downloaded into the download folder and I'm choosing this project and coming to here and simply select folder. It is going to ask me some of the next questions. I need to always override the existing settings. Yeah, and I need to build scans. Yeah, those are the basic information which I need to choose here. I will try to choose all the options. In this way I will try to have the visibility how the things are working out in terms of the grid. Yeah, these are things I need to take care. Now simply click on next, and now my project is going to be built and it is going to show me each and every information related to the Gradle. So in this way, I can import a Gradle project. And there is no much more difference in terms of Gradle and Maven. Gradle is providing the more flexibility and Gradle supporting the different kind of language support. Yeah. So just I'm finishing out and it is going to be available here. It is downloading some of the dependencies for some of the things. Yeah, so like this, you can import a Gradle project. You may see the error because problem is that I have given the both project name as same, which is the patient management system. But no need to worry. If you have given the different name, it is not going to show you such kind of error. Yeah, guys. So I will come back with another video, and where I will just show you how actually this gradual project will not show you the error. Even I am going to explain you some of the questions which I already prepared for you and I promised as part of each and every video. I will try to help you out to explain the questions. So till now, what questions I have explained. I have explained about the stereotype annotations. I have explained the Maven life cycle. Now this time I'm going to help you out to understand about the Spring Boot application, which is one kind of annotation, which is available as part of your main class, which is available, which is creating by default as part of your project creation. So it's having the Spring Boot annotation. This is the Spring Boot application annotation. Yeah, guys, so I'm just going to help you out for the theory part as well. So just wait. This is going to be covered as part of my second video. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video and stay tuned with me. You will definitely get huge amount of learning from my videos. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye bye, guys. Take care.